These numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Hay plus L. Hail. C's plus ear. C's ear. Hail Caesar! If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our show. Please join me in welcoming back our champion, who played brilliantly on yesterday's program, winning 2 consecutive games, came within just this far, winning a brand new car. It might happen today. We'll find out soon. He's won $5,440. His name is Joe Pruch. Joe, welcome back.
Thank you, Alex. Glad to be back.
Ready?
I'm ready to try one more time.
Okay, you've already spoken to your challenger in this game today. She is a newcomer to Classic Concentration. This is Lynn Engelman.
Yes.
Hi, Lynn Engelman.
Hi.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Idaho.
Idaho.
I spent the past 6 months in the state of Washington, and I just moved back down here.
Back down here, so you were here before. What
Yeah.
kind of work do you do?
I'm not right now.
You're not? That's okay. Then you want to win
Just
some
having
prizes
fun.
and some holidays. Take a look over here. This is something really neat.
Ride a burro into the sunset as you and a friend visit one of our country's most majestic settings, the Grand Canyon. We'll fly you and your guests from Los Angeles to Las Vegas, where SkyWest Airlines courteous crew will fly you to St. George, Utah. In St. George, you pick up your Avis 7-day car rental from their fine selection of cars and drive to Grand Canyon Lodge on the undiscovered, incredibly romantic side of the canyon for 3 nights of sightseeing and mule rides. Then on to the natural wonder of the monolith at Zion Lodge for 3 nights. Accommodations furnished by TW Recreational Services Incorporated. Alex.
I love the music. Even though it is not the Grand Canyon Suite, Joe and Lynn, take a look on the board and we will show you where you will find this great tour of the Grand Canyon at number 21. And Lynn, you get to pick first because you are the challenger on the program today. Good luck to you.
Okay, I want some wild cards. Let's try number 13 in the middle.
Green take.
I could use that. Let's go for a match under number 24.
No, diamond and topaz earrings is what we have there, so we go right over to our champion, Joe.
Let's try it. Let's start out with number 15.
Green take.
And the middle, number 13.
Green take, just like that. Man knows how to do it. Open it up quickly. Select again.
Okay, let's try number 2 this time.
Tour of the Grand Canyon.
How about number, let's say, 21?
Let's say 21 because that happens to be the right number.
All right.
2 in a row for Joe. Open it up again. Select.
Okay, let's try number 9 this time.
Vacuum cleaner.
Okay, we can use that. Let's see if we can get a match under that one. Number 10, please.
There's a wild card, so you are going to have a shot at the vacuum cleaner. The other vacuum cleaner at number 17. Once again, panel swinging open for our champion, Joe Pruch. Select.
Okay, let's try number 7 this time.
Wild card.
Boy.
Don't despair, Lynn. He did it to his previous opponent, Angela, as well. He came up with 3 wild cards in a row in one game. What do you want to match this with?
Let me try number 19 this time.
19 is a gas barbecue.
Perfect. I've been telling my wife I wanted a barbecue.
Yeah, and we're getting around to that time of the year. The other gas barbecue is at number 6. 3 more doors opening up. Go again.
Okay, let's try number 16.
Limited edition artwork.
We haven't seen that yet. Let's see if we can get a match for that under number 3.
Limited edition artwork.
Oh, boy.
Well, he really doesn't need to find the wild cards. Obviously, he's perfectly capable of making natural matches. Let's see what happens as we open these 2 doors, for Joe. Go again.
Oh, I still don't have it. Let's see number 24. Diamond topaz earrings. I think that's the one that was already turned over. Let's see if we can get a match number 22. A red take.
Red take. Lynn.
Okay, I want those earrings. Let's go for number 12. And 24 for the match.
You are right. Two doors opening for the young lady. Let's see what happens for her. Select again.
Let's see what's under number 20.
Recliner.
Recliner. Let's see the match under number 23.
Color television set. Joe.
Number 18, please.
Chef's barbecue tools.
Go with my barbecue.
You bet.
How about number 25?
Red take. Lynn.
Let's look for a red take under number 11.
No, but it's a wild card.
Well, I need to open up the board. I'll go for 23.
23. Color TV. That's a good prize. The other color TV on the top part of the puzzle at number 4. 3 panels opening for Lynn. Select again.
Number 8.
Recliner.
The match under number 20, please.
Recliner. At this stage of the game, matches seem to be easier to come by as long as we have seen the prizes before. If we haven't, then it becomes more difficult. Lynn, take a look at this puzzle now. Select.
Let's see what's under number 1.
Chef's barbecue tools.
The match under number 18.
Chef's barbecue tools, yes. Her turn to roll. Open it up. One more match, and you'll clear the entire puzzle, Lynn. Can you do
Number
it?
5.
5 is the word processor.
Match under number 14.
Word processor. It worked out for you beautifully. Open these 2 panels, put the word processor up there, and now show her 22 and 25. That's the red take, and he has a few prizes that you might be interested in.
I want that tour.
The Grand Canyon tour?
Yes.
All right. And I'll take his green take away from him because he won't need that. Lynn, you've got to solve the puzzle, however, in order to enjoy those prizes.
Knee deep in trouble.
Knee deep in trouble. Lynn is not knee deep in trouble at all. He's in success. Come on, Lynn. You are in knee deep in success. You will explain the puzzle.
Okay, that's his knee, and then the D plus the pin, D pin, and then the in the bowl, trouble, knee deep in trouble.
Well, when you put it that way, it sounds so simple. And I guess it is. Joe, that's another strike for you. Unfortunately, it's your second one. However, you are going away with over $5,400.
Couldn't be happier, Alex.
Congratulations,
Thanks.
Joe.
Good luck,
Come on.
man.
A guy named Joe is saying goodbye, and a lady named Lynn is enjoying these prizes.
Chef's Barbecue Tools, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select Chef's Barbecue Tools or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a recliner, the Spoiler. Its thickly padded arm pillows, 3-tiered back and deeply padded cushion seat make it the most comfortable seat in the house, furnished by Action Recliners by Lane, and a word processor. Smith Corona's easy-to-use all-in-one PWP 2100 portable word processor comes with an 8-line by 80-character display and features a built-in disk drive for unlimited storage and a color TV. Samsung's 27-inch MTS stereo color television with clean, high-tech styling and a deluxe 36-key remote control. Furnished by Samsung. And Diamond Topaz earrings, part of South Dakota Gold Company Gemstar jewelry line. Crafted in 14-karat gold, these earrings feature octagon cut, blue topaz with sparkling diamond accents, making a classic fashion statement, furnished by South Dakota Gold Company. And, of course, the tour of the wonderful Grand Canyon. And, Lynn, these prizes are worth $4,163.
That's a big first win for you, Lynn. We'll see how well you do. Are you nervous?
I'm very nervous.
All right, relax for a minute. We'll take this commercial break, and we'll come back to play for a brand new prize. In her very first game, this young lady won over $4,000 in prizes. Let's see if she's still lucky as we go to these 15 numbered squares. And the clock's set at base time. Lynn, 35 seconds away.
Okay.
Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
No.
2, 5,
No.
10, 3,
Yep.
11, 4,
Yep.
14, 9,
Yep.
15, 2,
Yep.
13, 8,
Nope.
12, 7,
No.
6, 7,
Right.
12, 5,
No.
13, 5,
Yes.
12, 8,
No.
12, 1.
Did she say it in time? We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Yes, yes, she got it in. Boy, oh boy, was that terrific or what? 35 seconds minus a hair. That's all. But you've won this car. Where is one?
Lynn, you just won this Mitsubishi Mighty Max pickup. Features a 2.3-liter four-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and AM/FM stereo. Furnished by Mitsubishi, a prize worth over $8,900.
Lynn, it's not that we're tired of having you around here because, gosh, you've been here for half a program only, but you won $13,112. Congratulations. Way to go. Big win. All right, we'll take a break. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We have 2 new contestants, and it's a big surprise for us, of course. We're so happy for Lynn, her very first time in the winner's circle, winning a brand new car in 35 seconds. She may be back in our Tournament of Champions next year. 35 seconds is sort of on the cusp. You might make it, you might not. But for the moment, let me introduce our newcomers. On my right, this lady's name is Dina Goldstein. Did I get it right?
Yes, you got it right.
And Dina has a photo of her 2 daughters, it looks like. Yes. 2 lovely children. How old are they?
Deborah. Esty is 12 and a half, and Deborah is 15 months.
Okay. Is Esty going to be watching Mom today to see how well
Yes,
you do?
she's here.
She's here in the studio?
Yes.
Good. You're facing this man, Paul Ains. Hello,
right.
Paul. Where are you from?
From San Diego, California.
Just up here for a visit to win some prizes on our show?
You bet.
Well, then let's get right to it. Here's something great for your home.
This beautiful, handmade, colorful, floral 6x9 Oriental rug is 100% wool pile and is a handsome accessory to any room. Yours with a gift certificate from Emser International. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Where can we find the carpeting? The Oriental rug is at number 15. This is a game in which there will be just 1 wild card, but we've got the bonus seconds available. We have $500 in the cash pot, and we have a Caribbean barefoot cruise as well.
Yes.
And Paul gets to go first.
Okay, I'm going for the cruise. I love to travel. How about starting out with number 12, please?
Number 12 is a refrigerator freezer.
Okay, let's look for a match up at number 9.
No, 35mm camera outfit, so let's go to Dina immediately.
All right, let's open up in the middle. Number 13.
Cash pot,
Oh, I'd like that. Number 5.
35mm camera outfit. Paul, here's your chance.
Okay, number 9, please. And
Yes.
a match up at number 5.
9 and 5, 59 or 95, whatever way you want to pull it. It doesn't matter. The match is made, and 2 doors swing open for Paul. Go again.
Okay. Still looking for that trip. How about 23?
Wild
Yes,
card.
all right.
Now, you're going to go fishing?
Well, I'm going to have to. How about see if we can find it under number 20?
Number 20, video cassette recorder,
right.
VCR. The other VCR at number 7. 3 doors will open now for Paul. Strange. Sometimes when the panels open, it seems to complicate things more because
sure
you've got all
does.
the numbers plus the symbols behind. But open it up a little bit more, Paul. Make
Okay.
another match.
Let's try down in the corner. Number 21, please.
Diamond watches for 2.
Ooh, my wife would like that. Ooh.
Ooh, indeed.
Okay. How about at the other corner, number 1?
Red take. Back to Dina.
Okay, 18, please.
Refrigerator freezer?
And 13.
No, that's the cash pot. Paul.
Whoa. Let's see if I can remember where that was. How about 17?
No. Wallpaper gift certificate.
Oh, boy. And 15, please.
No, that's the Oriental rug. Dina.
12
12 is the refrigerator freezer.
and 18 for the match.
18 is the match, yes. You were just one square off a moment ago. That happens quite often on this program, as you know. 2 doors will open for your benefit, Dina. Pick again.
All right. 17
Wallpaper gift certificate.
and number 1.
Red take. Paul.
Number 21, please.
Diamond watches for
Diamond
2.
watches again. I'd seen that once before. Okay, how about opening it up at number 6?
Red take. No match for you, but I bet you a match for Dina. She's
I'd
smiling.
like number 1, please.
1 is a red take.
And number 6.
6 is a red take. Yes, yes. He has a 35mm camera outfit and a VCR.
I think I'm going to wait.
All right. Open these 2 doors for Dina. Select again.
Number 3,
Green take.
10.
Wallpaper gift certificate. No match. Paul.
Number 22, please.
No, that's gold cufflinks.
Okay, let's see if we can find a match that on number 24.
No, Caribbean barefoot cruise
Oh, I
is
want
what we
that
have there.
cruise.
Dina,
Okay. Number 17, please.
that's the gift certificate.
And number 10.
Number 10, yes. Every time Paul fails to make a match,
I guess so.
Dina suddenly starts smiling and say, oh, good, I'm going to have a chance. I'm going to have a chance. Now, do you want to use the take, though? Grab a VCR? Camera outfit? Save it.
I'm going to save it one more time.
All right. 2 doors will open for you, Dina. Select again. Oh, there's the bell. You won't get a chance to select anything else. Hands on your signaling buttons. We have a lot of revealing to do, starting with number 2, 3, 4, 8, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 21, 22. Dina.
Strike me blind.
Strike me blind, says Dina Goldstein, and she is right. You have a husband in the audience over there named David?
No.
No?
Sorry.
Somebody else is very interested in seeing you succeed. Go to the board here and explain it to us.
Okay. This is a strike for the pins. This is me. For me, strike me. A B. The line is blind. And the D, strike me blind.
Strike me blind, and I'm old enough to remember when we used to hang our clothes on a line like that. Paul, 1 strike against you only. You'll get to play again. We'll see you in that one.
Okay, I'll be
right
back.
now, Dina, let's hear about your prizes. Gene, go to work, please.
A wallpaper gift certificate. The look of Bob Mitchell Designs' fine hand-screened wall coverings and related fabrics offer the latest fashion and coloring from traditional to contemporary designs for your home, furnished by Bob Mitchell Designs. And a refrigerator freezer. A Whirlpool no frost side-by-side refrigerator with through-the-door ice and water dispensers. And Whirlpool's advanced technology for the performance and convenience you want. Furnished by Whirlpool. And Dina, you have a prize package totaling $2,360.
And a chance to play for a brand new car right after this. The car round for Dina in just a moment, but right now, this special announcement. Marjorie.
Thank you, Alex. We are looking for pairs of people. You can be related or just friends. If you know how to play classic concentration, just call area code 213-965-1234. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you. Dina, you ready?
I'm ready.
15 numbered squares, base time 35 seconds. A little while ago, you saw a champion win a car in exactly that amount of time. Good luck, off you go.
1, 2,
No,
3, 6,
no,
5, 4,
no,
7, 8,
no,
5, 4,
no.
5, 7,
Yes.
8, 9,
Nope.
11, 12,
No.
10, 13, 14, 15,
No.
9, 13,
No.
6, 8,
No.
11, 6,
Yep.
2, 8, 10, 4.
Worked for Lynn, it didn't work for you, but that's all right. It's asking a great deal for that to happen twice in a row, but you've got $2,363 in prizes, and it's break time for us. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Food Saver Compact. Keeps food fresher longer and prevents freezer burn. Commercial quality vacuum packing for the home, furnished by Food Saver. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Let's do it again tomorrow. So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.